Hi, it's me again. I'm in our classroom and I have a really easy counting project that you guys can do, little activity. If you make cards and label them, these are flowers because it's flowers and Mother's Day week. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the kids can place either pom-poms or I have gold coins. You could use pom-poms and count. So this one would have 1 gold coin. This one would have 1, 2. This flower is number 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Here we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have our last one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you have a simple math activity you can do with the kids. Just make up the cards and have a good time doing that, okay? Bye.